At this point, the 3D model is ready to print. However, DeeControl is showing some useful information. It is telling me the estimated material used for this print job, and an estimate of how long the printing time will be for this print job. Looks like this will take 5 hours. I can export the print job and its 3D layering information to my computer or removable storage, or send it to the Ysoft SafeQ server to print later at any eDee printer on campus. Being able to print on any eDee printer on campus is important because someone may be using the nearest printer and will take hours to finish. I can go to any eDee printer that isn't being used and get my project printed, or find the printer that has the filament color I want to use. But we are ready to print, so I'm going to choose Send to Ysoft SafeQ server. Ysoft SafeQ is the print management software part of eDee. It sits on the school server and will hold your job for you until you arrive at the printer you want to use. The print job won't begin until I've logged into the printer I want to use, so let's go do that.